Hi, my name is Olivia Carpenter, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my erosion steam lesson that I made. So first off, table of contents, what we're going to be going over in this lesson. First, we're going to talk about what is erosion. Second, how does it happen. 3, there will be an activity. And 4, the conclusion. So an introduction, I'm going to talk about a little bit of some of the types of weather you may already know because erosion is caused by weather. So weather types, rain, snow, sleet, hail, wind, and you know that the rain is water, snow is frozen water, sleet is kind of a mixture of the two, hail is kind of like a hard snow, and then wind. So what is erosion? Erosion is the process of earthly materials being worn away and or transported to another place by weather. How does it happen? Well, there are multiple ways that erosion can happen, so here are a few of them. Deposition, this is when the materials are deposited or built up on a landform. Physical erosion is the process of rocks changing physical properties but not chemical properties. Liquid erosion is the most common type of erosion, any type of water that can carry sediment. So rain, a lake, river, a flood, etc. are all type of liquid erosion. And then wind erosion. Wind erosion is when dust, ash, sand, etc. is transferred by wind. So 3, the activity. For this activity, you will need 3 clear 2-liter bottles, twine or string or ribbon, plastic cup or water bottle cut in half, a hole punch, a bottle or a cup, and some water. So step 1 is you fill the 2 liters halfway, one with dirt, one with half dirt and half loose rock like gravel, and then one with grass. So step 2, you will tie a plastic cup with the string to the open part of the bottle to catch the runoff. So this is where the hole punch will come in, and you can tie the string through the holes that you made in the plastic cup or bottle. And this is all after you have cut your square or cut your bottle in half, etc., your 2-liter, and filled them. So step 3, you open the cap to catch the excess dirt or grass that may fall out before you pour water in. And step 4 is pour water over the 3 bottles and catch what happens. Dump and repeat as you like, so you could dump out the water that you get and keep pouring water over it as much as you like. So here is the video that I made. Okay, for this activity for the erosion lesson, we're going to do different types of erosion. So in this bottle, I have half dirt and half rock. In this one, I have all dirt. This one, I have all grass. And so these are just materials you could find around your house. Like the 2-liter bottles, I just cut out squares in them to fill them. The caps I left on, and then for the catcher at the bottom, I used plastic water bottles, and I cut the top off of them, and then poked holes in them and used ribbon to tie it around to hold on. So then all you're going to do is get a cup of water and take the cap off, letting any excess fall out first. And then you're just going to pour the water over and watch it come out. Okay. So there's one with the rock and dirt. And then the one with just the dirt. And then last, the one with the grass. Okay, so then as you can see, the one with the dirt had the most, then the one with the dirt and rocks, and then the grass had the least. You can also look up Erosion Steam Lesson Olivia Carpenter to find the video and go back and watch it. So finally, the conclusion. So why did it happen? The dirt was the loosest material, and that is why it had so much fallout, because the water was able to pick up more of the dirt and move it along. What kind of erosion? We observed liquid erosion, so this could mimic rain or a river. The grass had the least because it was able to soak up some of the water and is closer together than the dirt. And what is erosion one more time? Erosion is the process of earthly materials moving by natural causes. Thank you.